Hello and welcome to our second video. In this video we're going to look at our hook and our sieves and why is it necessary. If you look at your bonsai pot, there's a drain hole. It's there to drain away excess water to avoid stem rot and also fatality of your tree. We need the hook and the sieve also for soil not to escape through the hole. You also see most larger bonsai pots has a bigger hole and then also need more hooks and more sieves. So take your sieve, put it over the drain hole, take your hook, bend it nice and straight and place it through two gaps in your sieve or the piece of mesh, just like such. Push it down, turn your pot over and bend down the legs. Make some loops just to hide away the wire. This pot has some beautiful feed features, so if you put it on the table, it won't be uneven with the wires. It will be fitted straight. Cool, so our sieve is nice and fitted, and if you put your soil on top, it won't flush away with the water through the draining hole.